How to download and install Talkie Soulful AI application on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Talkie Soulful AI. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Talkie Soulful AI application just like this. So if you have seen any different version previously, you may have to ignore it, and because the new version is available on Play Store, which is this one. So just tap on this first one, and as you can see, for your information, it has over 10 million plus downloads. So you just have to click on install from over here, and you can see you can now create a character you have imagined and just talk with them just like this. So once it get downloaded and installed, just tap on this open button over here and just click on accept the terms and condition and choose your recommendation just like this. And once you enter it, you can just easily start talking or having fun here by simply using the official Soulful AI application. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.